Hello everyone, I'm Billy. Recently, many remote control car enthusiasts have been going to mainland China to play with remote control cars. Why? Because there's a place there. It's indoors, with both flat surfaces and rough terrain. Coincidentally, my family also went up there to play, and while they were playing, I sneaked away. I went to this fishing vehicle to take a look and immediately saw many people I knew. So I arrived at the GDC track in Fo Shan and here. At first glance, I saw many people playing with touring cars. So I heard some. This timing room looks very professional. And the fellow car enthusiasts are playing here are all quite young. They just finished playing with touring cars and now they have a 12th scale session. For the 12th scale time, on average I think it's about 3 seconds faster. Besides seeing many Hong Kong people coming up to play today, there are also 2 tracks here. One is this carpet track for 10th and 12th scale cars, which is quite something. And they have a very standard timing method, right? And there are also many air-conditioned rooms here available for you to rent. If you enter, the fee is charged per person, but the price is quite affordable. All the car enthusiasts in this room come from all over the world. And next to it, there is this covered off-road track. And since it's on a carpet, using a 1/10 scale is ideal. As you can see, its target audience is much younger. Unlike now in Hong Kong, where most of the players are middle-aged.
They consider this a science education base. So it's not just for entertainment. It's meant to teach young people about science. They told us that the main purpose of playing with cars here is to take a vacation, enjoy driving, and savor the local cuisine while traveling. Plus, since Hong Kong is entering the rainy season, having this place is great. Ensuring that you can definitely play with remote control cars, that's right. Also, is there a carpet track that Hong Kong lacks? Hong Kong does have carpet tracks, but the size is relatively small. Here, you have a larger indoor carpet track. I've heard you can do it in 13 seconds, is that right? Actually, 13 seconds is a must. Everyone can do it. Wow, everyone can do it, even those under 13 years old. I didn't say I couldn't. I'm not that skilled. Is there anything that makes the car faster here? First, find a better car and keep practicing. If you don't understand something, ask other experienced players to share their insights. I see. But hey, how thick are the tires? Right now, our tires are thin. Originally, the tires that come with a car are quite thick. If they're thick, when you play, there's a chance they might get damaged when the car flips or turns. So we need to sand them down to about 2 to 3 mm first. You can use them, but are they economical? Actually, they are quite economical. Because when you sand down, about 10 tires, it makes the tires less comfortable, but there's less wear and tear. Yes, okay. But regarding the tire fluid, the event organizers must specify which fluid to use for control. Yes, do you know which tire fluid it is? This one, right? Okay, this one. So when I bring my car up, I have to use this specific fluid as specified for a round of touring cars. It's the 15-inch ones, and you can only use this specific one, but this sponge ladder can be self-attached, okay? They are also available for sale at the front desk, but it seems like for rubber tires, you actually have to buy them here, right? Not really. Oh, you can use different tires, but their rubber tires are suitable for the temperature, so once you put them on, you can start playing. How should I address you? I'm called Leo Tam. This is Tam. Okay, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, and it's a pleasure to know you. Thank you.
But seeing this now, they are distinct. There are many different vehicles, and this one is a 110 scale off-road car for playing there as we take everyone for a thrill. It seems like there are many 12X models of the Little Goose. Is this the Little Goose? Yes, your Asian one is also a Little Goose, right? So it's clearly explained. Is there any secret technique? The 12X Little Goose is already very mature, so there's no need for any special techniques. But for beginners, or when it falls apart, it's okay, because we have a manager here who is already very experienced. That's right. Okay, manager, so can I ask the manager how to handle the 12X Little Goose? I see. How many people are using the 12 model and also using the Little Goose? This is another one, isn't it? This is 2T6. Okay. This is from the book. Okay. I like this slingshot. Yes. I bought a few things, and there's still the 12 model. This spot. The older brother is the most familiar with it. That's right. He's the one who got you all to play and led us astray. It's really not right. Really. It's really not right. You have to know this person first. If you don't know, you must know how to address this older brother. How do you address him? Just now, how do you address him? Chung, we call him the 10-time winner. He won a lot of Formula 1 races, those kinds. What do you drink? Yes, there is. He plays with everything, even cars. I've heard that many of the 12 models are also from Naitai.
One. 35. 31. 13 flat. 14. 3.
Here, there are also a lot of parts to buy. Good body. So are there suitable places to play with 12 scale cars? Actually, there aren't many in Hong Kong. The places to play with 12 scale cars often aren't on carpet tracks, so the chassis can get damaged quickly. If you plan to play with 12 scale cars, you might consider going to the mainland to play. There's a remote control car track in Fo Shan. I'm not advertising for them, but seeing how much fun they have, I want to promote it a bit. See you next time.